Welcome. In the next 1 minute, I will introduce you to Practicus AI and how it can simplify artificial intelligence. Practicus AI is an end-to-end data science platform which works like a spreadsheet. It works for both technical and non-technical users. You can explore and analyze large amounts of raw data and find unique insights and patterns. Practicus AI allows you to easily transform data and extend with coding only if necessary. You can create AI models and predict the future with just a few clicks. When working with complex problems, you can share your experiments with the data science team so they can take it further without starting from scratch. Several Practicus AI features work directly inside spreadsheets, allowing you to bring more than 1 billion spreadsheet users into your data science projects. If needed, you can click to generate the pipeline and go to production with ease. Practicus AI app is forever free, and the cloud platform offers a forever free tier as well. If you need more cloud capacity, you can pay as you go, which shows as a line item in your cloud invoice. No commitments or credit card needed. To learn more, please visit practicus.ai/demo. Watch the real-time video and immediately see Practicus AI come to action. Thank you.